Okay, so we have a record. This is me again. We have a few bits of knickknacks that still need to be straightened out. This is a punch-in. So there's a board underneath here that this is screwed to. And then there is a piece of Lotus pine here. And this is wood treated with Minmax so far, but we're going to treat it again. And we've still got a bit of sanding to do. So you can see there's some stuff to be done, right? So then somebody nice buddy of mine from baseball came up with this. So this is pretty solid and will hold plants fairly well, which is what we were considering doing with it. And this is the light bar. Plus we're going to have another shelf in here, which I'm not really going to describe in detail right now. But I may get it done, or I may just run out of money and have to drag the whole thing inside the way it is. Anyway, so there is the second shelf. We're going to have to do some sanding there again. And then we put the bottom shelf in place, finally. That is a sloped shelf delivery. Okay, so that's what that looks like. Seems to have a bit of a gap here, which kind of bothers me. Maybe it's just because we're back here. No, we could definitely have a gap here because this is pushing. This one's pushing hard. So we have a bit of a gap on that, which I have made allowances for. Okay. So we'll sand that shelf again. We might sand that back part probably again. Yeah, it looks kind of miserable. So sand that again before we put the final finish on. So that's life as I see it. Okay. So that's it.